Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, March 7th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today in the room. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible trades, but one we kind of had to get out of. Most of us did anyway. And I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. First trade from left to right, again in no particular time order, was a understanding trade. 9:42 Central Standard Time. Price was 62.44, 62.45. I specifically said that they were going to either get up to 60 or that the sellers were going to front run 60 and not let it get to flat, but we had enough room there to get some profits and lock in some profits and try to let one run if you can. So the trade made almost 12, 13, 14 ticks. Did exactly what we thought. They sold it up to 58, flat was 60, and that was it. When it came back down, I said, okay, let's try to get short. We tried to get short on a power play, 62.09, and that one worked out for about 20 ticks. And anybody who wanted to hold from there, since it never closed below 20 ticks, technically, I told traders you got to give it a little bit of room on your stop. You can't trail or go down too close, and I mean, obviously for those who held, they would have got a lot more, but a lot of people were out at that point, 20 ticks. So we'll just say 20 people got more. It went straight down from there. And that was a nice trade. And then in the ES, I tried a short. It was around right when the European market was closing. Told everybody you might get a little bit of volatility. You might get larger levels tested. That was around 27.17. I said you certainly could make it up to 19. And never did. 19 we would have had to add, but and build a position, but it only went up to 1875. So again, that trade was minimum of a couple points, on the initial downstroke, and then anybody who held anything, they could have made from here all the way down. Room closed around here, but 5 points or something like that. It did go a lot further, as you can see, never really looked back. And that was a nice trade there as well. And then on the NQ, we had another opportunity on the NQ. In fact, some of us hit this twice. We got short at, but it didn't make that much, but we got 73.50 short on the NQ at 9:15. And we just didn't get any follow through right away on that. That trade did re-trigger. We got on the initial push down there from 73.50 to 69.25. So I made over four points, which made 15 ticks. But again, no follow through from there. So it was either 15 ticks. Some people went to break even. Some people held for a break even. And that was either, again, 15 ticks or a break even there. And then on the gold, we got into the trade before the news. I was hoping it would get into profits, into a risk-free trade before the news so that we could stay into it. Unfortunately, that did not happen per the rules of the call room. And I explained all this, that mentoring students certainly could stay in this, but in the call room, we got to stick with the rules. We got short, and then we had to get out. Some people made 4 or 5 ticks and got a break even. I said you got to just take whatever you can take, and then if you get taken out, you get taken out, or just get out of the trade before the news. And sure enough, and we could have re-hit it again and gotten back in a little bit lower, but we did not. I think we were in this crude. We took the crude instead. So instead of getting back into the gold, we took the crude. But certainly that gold trade just went down really nicely as well. Good day today. And we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. To check out the free trial, no credit card required. And we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Thanks, traders.